the same rate of pay for their services, question mark. The demand for equal pay for equal work is no longer new, full stop. It has been brought forward many times by organized bodies of women representing some particular line of work, full stop. But comma, strangely enough comma, if an important issue is made of this question comma, it is sometimes the women who come down most heavily against equality, full stop. The reasons given for the lower rates of pay for women are many, full stop. The first reason usually offered is that a man has more dependents, full stop. I am directed to say that it has been observed the concern that in most of the cases comma, examination of cases carried out and recommendations made by the departmental promotion committees have been found lacking in assessment and appraisal, full stop. On one of the meeting of the DPC of a department, and officer was deferred for promotion on the grounds that his whereabouts were not traceable, and comma, after 1 year his case for promotion was recommended without bringing on record any justification as to whether, as the officer during the period, he was not traced out, full stop. Babe Pakistan Trust has been dysfunctional since long, as the National Memorial Council has not been able to meet death of majority of the members of the National Memorial Council has made it impossible for the Babe Pakistan Trust to manage its affairs. Interim governing body has also contributed to mismanagement of the trust, semicolon. It is necessary to perform its functions and to take necessary steps to achieve its objectives of the Babe Pakistan Trust. Therefore, it is expedient to establish Babe Pakistan Foundation to provide institutional framework, full stop. After finalizing, the selection committee shall communicate the same to the concerned, full stop, appointing authority for issuance of orders, which shall be issued without further verification of character and antecedents. Posts in BS1 to BS4, which include the post of Naib Qasid, Mali Chokidar, Dhobi and sanitary worker, etc., do not require any academic qualifications, and the only attributes which candidates for these jobs can be required to possess or experience of the work involved in the jobs and good character of the candidates, full stop. No selection criteria in terms of qualifications, full stop. The requisite skill in typing may be selected subject to the condition that they acquire the prescribed typing speed within 6 months of that they acquire the prescribed typing speed within 6 months of their appointment, and in case of their failure to do so, their services shall be liable to termination, full stop. Persons possessing requisite skill of typing should, however, be given preference. Having typing skill are not available, full stop. Recruitment to all teaching posts up to BS15 and the post of secondary school teacher BS16 in education department shall be made, full stop. the same rate of pay for